everyone, I'm sure you're all excited and looking forward to join Abu Dhabi Marthoma Sunday School online VBS 2021. We would like all of you to join the online VBS wearing your own VBS caps. Today, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your own VBS caps at home. So let's begin. Let's have a look at what all things you will need to make your own VBS caps. You will need two different colored papers, A4 sheet colored papers. If you don't have the colored sheets, you can even use white papers or newspapers. You will need a scissor, pencil, ruler, glue stick, different colored marker pens. You will need a protractor. If you don't have a protractor, anything that's having a curved edge, like a plate, a paper plate, you can use that. You will need some decorative items if you have at home. So, to make our VBS cap, the first thing we need is to make rectangular strips of paper. We need two rectangular strips of papers like these. For that, take a ruler, mark a 4 centimeter wide rectangle strip. So I'm going to mark a 4 centimeter strip. So the width of the rectangle would be 4 centimeter. Draw straight lines. Use your pencil to draw straight lines. And one more. So you will be needing 2 strips. Once you have marked the line, take a scissor and cut along the marked line. Now you have got your 2 strips. You have to now join the strip using the glue stick. So apply glue on one end of the paper. Take the other strip and stick it on the top of the place where you have applied your glue. Remember, it should be stuck properly. Once this is done, you have to glue the other end as well. So it will make a circle like this. Okay, so your circle is formed now. So you've got your circle. Now, if you think that this is a bigger circle, it won't fit on your head, you can measure the size of your head and then stick the paper. Once you have done it, place this on top of the other colored sheet. Take your pencil mark on one end and the other end. So this is our front part of the cap. So I'm just adding a line here so that I know that this is the place where I've marked. Also, along the curve, if you can just add some dots. Now you can use a ruler to draw a straight line from the mark. Now you need just this part of the cap. So I'm going to take a scissor and cut along the line. Now you have your marked area, you can draw a line along it. Now what you need to do is, you don't have to cut along this line, but another semicircle that you will mark just next to the one that you have added the dots. So don't cut along the mark line, but just above it, so you have a shape like this. Okay, so I have not cut along the dotted line, but just on top. We will need to make something with this. So this is your front part of the cap. Now what you need to do is, because the cap front has to be a curved one, I will keep my protractor or a D. You can keep a plate or anything that has a circular edge, and mark this, and on the other end as well, so that you get a curved edge. Now take your scissor and cut along the curved edge. So you have your curved edge front portion of the cap ready. Now we have to stick this on the circle that we have made. For that, you will make small cuts from the circular part to the dotted circular line. Once you have cut along the line, just fold the edges. Remember, you can fold it really well. Now the next important part is, you have to apply glue on this surface, because we are going to stick it on the blue part of our circle. Make sure you apply more glue, because it has to stick properly to your blue ring that you have cut out. So I'm going to place it on top, and I'm going to just flip the glued side on the paper so that it gets stick. Now remember, you have to do it very well. Now I have stuck the paper, so your cap is ready, isn't it? But it looks very blank. What can we do to decorate this? So I have some letters that you can get from any stationery store. I'm going to stick those letters on top. So I'm going to write VBS. I've taken V, B, and S. VBS. You can also add numbers. You can get these stickers in any stationery store. So I'm going to write VBS 2021. For decoration, you can add more things. You can add glitter, you can add some decorative beads. So I'm going to just add a few more things to decorate my cap. If you don't have these stickers or these letterings at home, what you can do is, you can take a marker and write on it. So you can take a sketch pen, you can take a marker pen. I'm going to use a marker pen to write. You can use different color, you can write in different ways. So you can write on top, you can write, you can decorate it, you can color it, you can use different materials at home to decorate your cap. So you have two samples. You have to make your own and think about how would you make it more creative. So this is what we expect on the day of VBS. You wearing your own VBS caps. I hope you have fun making your caps and joining our online VBS on 26th of July. See you then.